Hey guys, welcome back to Delph. Today I'll be showing you how to fix OBS X264 error. So guys, if this ever happened to you, the first solution is you could just simply update your drivers by just simply going ahead and go for the device manager. And now, once you are here guys, you could just simply go for the display adapters over here and you should be able to have your GPU drivers. Right click on it and make sure to select update driver. And here you could just simply search for automatically for drivers. So it will find the latest version. And if there are any updates, you should be able to download it over here. Now, if that's the case, you have the updated version. What you could try to do is you could just simply go for the OBS. And now go ahead and go for the settings here on the file on the top left corner of the screen. And now over here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the output over here, and you could just simply go for the recording. And here guys, on the recording tab, as you can see, I cannot change it since I am currently using the OBS. So from here, you could just simply go for the video encoder. So sometimes changing your video encoder to X264 can fix the issue, and try other video encoder as well if there are any available, and try other recording format as well, but I recommend going for the MP4. Now, another option is you could just simply go for the video tab on the left side and try to changing the resolution on your canvas and the scale, and also changing your FPS to 30. So lowering this resolution and lowering the FPS can have a massive impact. And guys, remember to select apply down below and select OK to save any changes that you want. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.